Yo, what's up everyone? While I'm cruising through Los Santos today, I need to tell you something that might make you uncomfortable. By 2030, millions of jobs are going to disappear. And I'm not talking about some distant future. That's literally 4 years from now. If you're in school right now, or just starting your career, you need to hear this. Because the job you're training for, it might not even exist when you graduate, so stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which jobs are at risk, which ones are safe, and what you need to do right now to protect your future. Let's dive in. Alright, so first things first. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to prepare you, because what's happening right now is the biggest shift in the job market since the Industrial Revolution. And look, I get it. You've probably heard people say robots are taking our jobs for years now, but here's the difference. It's actually happening. In 2026, we're seeing it in real time. AI tools like ChatGPT, automation systems, and robots are already replacing workers across multiple industries. According to recent studies, AI and automation could replace up to 85 million jobs globally by 2030. That's not a typo. 85 million jobs. And some of these jobs, you'd never expect them to be at risk. So let me break down exactly which jobs are in danger, starting from the most obvious to the ones that will surprise you. Let's start with the jobs that are already disappearing right now. If you're in any of these fields, you need to be planning your next move today. First up, cashiers and retail workers. Self-checkout machines are everywhere now, right? Amazon Go stores let you walk in, grab what you need, and walk out. No cashier needed. Major retailers are cutting staff because machines are cheaper. If you work retail, the writing is on the wall. Next, truck drivers and delivery drivers. This one's huge because trucking employs millions of people. But self-driving trucks are already being tested. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are investing billions into autonomous vehicles. By 2030, long-haul trucking could be completely automated. That's millions of jobs at risk. Third, manufacturing and assembly line workers. This is already happening. Car factories, electronics manufacturing, warehouse operations. Robots are faster, don't need brakes, don't need benefits, and don't make mistakes. If your job involves repetitive physical tasks, automation is coming for it. Fourth, bank tellers and loan officers. When was the last time you actually went inside a bank? Everything is online now. Mobile banking, automated loan approvals, AI-powered financial advice. These jobs are disappearing fast. Banks are closing branches left and right. And here's one that surprises people. Telemarketers and customer service reps. AI chatbots are getting so good, you can't even tell you're talking to a robot anymore. Companies love this because one AI can handle thousands of customers at once. Human customer service becoming obsolete. Now, here's where it gets interesting. These next jobs are the ones people think are safe, but they're not. Accountants and bookkeepers. Yeah, I know. You thought number crunching was safe, right? Wrong. AI software can now handle tax preparation, bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis instantly. TurboTax and similar platforms already do most of what accountants used to do. By 2030, entry-level accounting jobs will be nearly extinct. Paralegals and legal assistants. AI can now review thousands of legal documents in minutes, something that used to take paralegals weeks. Legal research, contract review, case analysis. AI does it faster and more accurately. Law firms are already cutting staff. Radiologists and diagnostic specialists. This one shocked me. AI is now better than humans at detecting certain cancers and diseases from medical scans. It's faster, more accurate, and never gets tired. Hospitals are investing heavily in AI diagnostic tools. Journalists and content writers. AI can now write news articles, reports, and even creative content. Major news organizations are already using AI to write basic news stories, sports recaps, financial reports, weather updates, all written by AI. And here's the scary one for creatives, graphic designers and basic programmers. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can create professional designs in seconds. AI coding assistants can write basic code faster than junior developers. The barrier to entry is dropping to zero. But before you panic, let me tell you which jobs are safe, because there's good news too. Okay, so what jobs are actually safe? What should you be aiming? First, skilled trades. Plumbers, electricians, welders, HVAC technicians. These jobs are robot-proof. Why? Because they require physical problem solving in unpredictable environments. A robot can't crawl under your house to fix a pipe or troubleshoot a weird electrical issue. These jobs pay well, have high demand, and aren't going anywhere. Second, healthcare workers with direct patient care. Nurses, physical therapists, home health aides, mental health counselors. Anything involving human touch, empathy, and complex care. AI can help with diagnosis, but it can't comfort a scared patient or help someone through physical rehab. Third, creative problem solvers. Engineers, architects, designers who do high-level creative work, strategists. Jobs that require original thinking and complex problem solving. AI can assist, but it can't replace human creativity and innovation. Fourth, teachers and trainers. Yeah, online learning exists, but human teachers aren't going anywhere. Kids need socialization, mentorship, and human connection. AI can't replace that. And fifth, managers and leaders. Jobs that require emotional intelligence, negotiation, team building, and strategic decision-making. AI can crunch numbers, but it can't inspire a team or navigate complex workplace politics. So what does all this mean for you? Whether you're in high school, college, or already working, here's what you need to know. First, don't panic, but do pay attention. If you're training for a job I mentioned in the disappearing category, you need to pivot. That doesn't mean quit everything, but it means you need a backup plan. Second, learn skills that AI can't replace. Focus on skills that involve human connection, creative problem solving, physical dexterity, or emotional intelligence. These are your safety net. Third, embrace technology. Don't fight it. Learn how to use AI and automation tools. The people who will succeed aren't the ones competing with AI. They're the ones who learn to work with AI. If you're a designer, learn to use AI design tools. If you're a writer, learn to use AI writing assistants. Be the human who controls the machine. Fourth, consider trades. I'm serious. Electricians and plumbers are making $80,000 to $100,000 a year in many cities. No student debt, high demand, and the job is safe. Don't sleep on trade schools just because everyone tells you to go to college. Fifth, stay adaptable. The job market in 2030 will look completely different than today. The key is being willing to learn new skills, adapt to change, and not getting too comfortable in any one position. Now, here's the thing people don't talk about enough. Yes, jobs are disappearing, but new jobs are also being created. Jobs that didn't exist 10 years ago. AI trainers, drone operators, renewable energy technicians, content creators, social media managers, data analysts. These jobs barely existed in 2015. So while some jobs die, others are born. The challenge is the transition. Not everyone who loses their job will easily move into a new field. That's the hard truth. And that's why governments and companies need to invest in retraining programs. But on a personal level, you have more control than you think. You can choose to learn new skills. You can choose to adapt. You can choose to position yourself for the future instead of clinging to the past. The question isn't, will my job disappear? The question is, am I preparing for what's coming? So there you have it. The jobs that are disappearing by 2030, the ones that are safe, and what you need to do about it right now. If this video opened your eyes, do me a favor, smash that like button and drop a comment telling me, what job are you in and are you worried about automation? I read every single comment. Subscribe if you want more real talk about the future, technology, and how to actually succeed in this crazy world. Go check out the official Praxis website and let me know what you think. I'm posting videos like this every week. The future is coming whether we're ready or not. The only question is, are you going to adapt or are you going to get left behind? I'll catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay adaptable, and stay ahead of the game. Peace.